Hey, I watched the Rob show last time.
Oh, Mark is on again.
Mark is on again? Damn, Mark. Today's the Mark show. What the buck is up? Hope you had a bucking outrageous day. So today we're jigging on the Detroit River. Alright guys, so the conditions are not so well. We're actually in the rain right now. Scott has came down. I mentioned in the video before, Scotty and Marky are coming down. Actually the water's not that bad, bro. We got visibility for sure. And Rob is taking us out again. Rob's got the next 3 or 4 days off, just like us. We gotta watch out for the geese poop that is everywhere. Everywhere! Fucking geese poop. Here, Mark, you want to get in. Let's get Mark in. No, I'll be last to get in, bro. I'm more agile. So Scott, pull tighter so we can do it. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so we got a spare ship on the water. Nobody's out on shore. I think there's one person. But water conditions 50-50. It's been tough fishing in our area. A lot of guys will tell you that it's been very, very tough, and we're hoping for the best for you guys. This is probably the worst season I've had yet, ever. And lucky to have this boat to go out on right now. So we're gonna get on the water and we're gonna see if we can get this 4-man limit.
We're gonna get him.
Yeah, 4-man limit. Yeah, 4-man. Let's get him. Let's get him, boys. So Rob's coming right now. 4-man, bro. Let's do this. 4-man. Yes. Like I said, it's cold today, bro. We might have to fight through the rain. Everything. We had snow, we had sleet, we had hail. Mother Nature was not impressed. Alright, let's get in the water. Alright, so off into the water we go. You can see prop. So I would say it's 50-50, but I feel like we're gonna actually do very well today. Rob always guides us in the quickest ways to get fish. So let's get this 4-man limit.
Nice boat, man. Lots of room in this.
Oh yeah. Wow. Oh yeah. You got to hear the story of him getting it. We'll talk about it during the vid. You know, Rob, if you ever let this thing go, I'm the first guy, right? Yeah. He's like, never happened. He's never letting this thing go.
You're wrong. I thought about it.
No, never.
I have a lot of money in my pocket, but then what do I do? Sit at home?
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
You guys just started right out front last time, eh?
Yeah.
We started that way a little bit.
Yeah.
Never got nothing from there. So about here, I think our first was.
Yeah.
Jerry dropped his line, and Jerry fought his line from the time we put in to right here, dropped in and got a bass. Right?
Yeah, instantly.
within 30 seconds.
Yeah, instant.
Yeah, I thought the wind would be a lot worse. This is nothing.
You got cologne on?
Probably right.
Someone doesn't.
It's you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say that's walleye repellent, bro. They don't like to set the human stuff. I'm just kidding. He smells all fresh. All right, so we got our tactical fishing rod, jigging special. Crazy wind behind us right now. They're calling for 50-kilometer winds at noon. So we're gonna try to get this as quick as we can and get the buck out of here. All right. Put everything in this corner here. So you can see water clarity. Again, 50-50, cold out. They said it's only like 39 degrees or something like that. When I woke up this morning, it was -1 on the TV. And it's only supposed to reach like a high of like 9. But water is good. Oh yeah, that's clear. We're gonna get, bro, we're gonna smash. We're gonna smash.
Is there enough room there for 3 yet?
Oh yeah.
Come up here?
Oh, we're good. We're good. So we're gonna drop it to the bottom. Try with the jerbear first. I got a 5/8 jig on, so it might be a little awkward at the beginning. But on boat, I usually use a 5/8. Shore, I use a 3/4. It's a little bit different current. Come on, Jeremy, do us good. Do us good, give us a hog.
Here's the heavy wind, I was like, oh yeah, no.
Right.
We had to hand him the controller for him to understand, like, here, try this, bro.
Yeah, Dad says, here, you want to try? I'm like, no, no.
Oh, I know. I'm telling him too, my one buddy. Come on, my line's not straight. Come on, what are you doing? You don't know what the fuck you're doing. I said, here's the remote.
Yeah.
Really, we were doing fucking circles.
Yeah. Sometimes you can't control it. It's
I
just,
know,
you know.
it's fucking not easy.
You have to be ahead of the wind, it feels like.
Yes, you have to be.
You feel a big gust coming, you gotta act fast.
Yeah. That's not as easy as people think.
No, it's not. It is when there's no wind, then you just straight up from the current.
You can almost turn the trolling motor off when there's no wind. My favorite perch canal that we can never fish. Because no trespassing.
Really?
Yeah.
That's better than Mill Street.
By far. By
Not as
far.
deep.
Not as deep, it's like 8 feet. All the logs, the spiles, see it on the sides and stuff like that. Oh, bro, it was so good there.
Probably full of crappie too.
Never caught crappie there.
Really?
Yeah. Lots of perch. Jumbos. Because the minnows go in there, right? Like crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very nice canal. You guys ever fish this canal right here? You know what I'm talking about. Back in the day, used to crush them. Don't know why they won't reopen this thing for everyone to fish with. Such a waste of space. Jumbies. Alright, Rob strikes first. What color are you using?
Jeremy.
Alright, I'm gonna put a jammer on. Alright, awesome. Awesome, bro. Okay, first, yeah, broke the ice for the boat. Alright, let's get back in this water and crush it. I can only imagine what kind of perching is inside there. Yo, you gotta fish, you gotta fish. Yes, Marky's on.
What a fraud.
Alright, pay attention if it's in the mouth or not. Oh, that's a nice sized fish, bro.
Yeah, it's fighting good.
You go, Marky.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, it's under the chin. Alright, sweet
Nice
chin
fish,
music.
though,
Alright,
Nice.
there you go. First one on boat.
Yeah.
So there you guys go, Mark's first fish of the trip. And on boat too. Yes, sir.
Hold on, you didn't look at me.
Made
Okay.
that name up.
And it's not really a suitable name because they catch lots of fish.
Yeah.
Sure you do.
That's for Jerry.
Sure you do. Oh, okay,
There you go,
okay.
Jerry, there you go,
Okay.
Jerry.
Okay. Where's the net at? Somebody get him. Somebody get him. Oh, you spoke to right on the button. There you go, on the buck.
On the buck.
All right, brother. So I'm the only one without a fish. I'm the one that's sitting there talking smack. Nice fish, brother.
Cheers.
Good size eater.
I usually like to on again.
Marky's on again? Damn, Mark. Today's the Mark show.
Yeah. Nice drag in the belly.
That's a good size eater.
Yeah.
Rainbow trout, rainbow trout.
Thank you. What do you guys do up there for work?
Scott?
What's that?
You got
Unemployed right now.
Oh, yeah.
You got a fish? Okay.
I work for
Nice.
Tentacle.
Is that the most?
Build exhausts for Chrysler and Toyota.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the back of the boat's got to start fucking doing something here.
There you go, Scott.
Smash that.
Every time he says something, he gets one.
Yeah.
He just said the back of the boat's got to start bang. Oh,
that's a good one. That's a good one.
Sweet.
Yes, that's a good one.
Good fish. Killed it too.
On the jerbear, eh?
Oh yeah, he fucking choked it.
3 and 4 already.
I don't know. I was just happy he was on. I was paying attention to Scott here. Nice fish, Scott. Jerbear.
Good fish, happy.
That's probably gonna be the fish of the day. That's a nice size one.
Hey, John.
I was gonna say I'm not celebrating yet. Yeah, you bit it though. Wally, first fish, jerbear. Took me a long time. That was a little bit too long for a buck. Alright guys, so that's my first fish. I just sat around and watched patiently.
It was 21 this morning, and then it said it was going to go to like 40.
Pretty much watched everyone catch a fish but me until this moment.
I think we're at that now.
So you guys go first little eater.
Nice.
Something. Something, brother. Alright, let's get back in this water, guys. Now that we got one off the seal. Yeah. I thought I was going to be st.clair for the day. I was starting to worry about myself. You know when you second think you're fishing? Oh man. You get into this trance and you're just like, should I be fishing anymore or should I not? No, I'm just kidding. I can't give up fishing. Yes. All right. Starting to happen. Starting to happen. See, it's a Rob show. All right, we're starting to get some numbers in. We're starting to get some numbers in.
Fucking on fire. 3, 4, 5, that's 7 total.
Yep. All right, let's keep it up with the jerbear. You put a stinger on?
Yeah.
All right. That's actually smart. That's actually smart. For a day, a soft bite like today. That's actually smart because I missed a lot of bites. Alright, so we did one drift. I ended up getting one fish. I think we're at 7, but it's a very, very difficult day. Strong north wind. Water's nice and clear, but we're going to try to put this work in to get these fish. So far, we've tried almost every color, but jerbear has been the one ticket for us. So we're going to get back out there. You got one? Nice. Alright. Oh, I was getting scared. I was getting scared.
I almost sucked on that one. That was
what's that now?
I think I'd be getting good at that for 10 all these fish.
8 or 9? I bet you we drifted by millions of walleye.
Oh, fuck.
Millions. And they're not even like, they're just chilling.
Oh, yeah.
Finally. That's alright.
Oh, you got it up. Oh, fuck, that's a big fish.
Thank you. Right through the snout. Second one on the day.
Nothing goes right when the weather's like this. Eh?
No. No, that was very difficult. Alright guys, the second fish of the day. It took me a long time. This is the second drift. Slow bite, very tough.
Alright.
Yes, finally, brother.
Good job on fishes.
Thank you. Trying to win it for you guys right now, bro.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say about today. Whew. So this is the truth about the Detroit River. Got a crazy low pressure going. North wind, gusting all roughly about 40 right now. Barely anybody on the water. Tough bite. But you guys are actually gonna get the real deal. This guy's gonna tell you the truth here. And on boat, you're only boating that much. Imagine in the shore. Been fishing the past 4 days. Caught 2 fish. Probably put like 40 hours in the past 4 days. That doesn't sound good at all, eh? Seriously, I also put like 40 hours into it. Oh. Alright, let's get another fish. Go home and look at all the posts and everything. Limits! Like, you know what? Man, there's no boats out there. How do these guys get limits if there's no boats out here?
Yeah, there's all those two boats are gone. Or one across.
Scott?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice, brother. That one. That one. Oh, under the chinski. The chinski, eh? Yeah. It sounds kind of racist, bro. I'm just kidding, Mark. Nice catch, Scott. It's like Shaq's free throws. Oh, Scott! Oh, he's got that one. He's got that one. Oh, lead him my way, lead him my way. Nice one. Almost I couldn't reach because you. Alright. Alright.
Look at all the boats stacked behind the steel mill there.
Yeah.
Go to the wind.
Oh, yeah.
They're not getting no wind there, bro.
Nice, Scott.
Nice one.
Yeah. I think it just bonked the fish. It like hit something and then rolled down. Yes.
Short.
Hey, a fish is a fish, bro. Fish is a fish. Take what you could get today. Very difficult. Oh, I just missed a fish. Oh yeah. This dirty water is actually better. This dirty water is actually better. Mark the net man.
Scott's on fire.
Scott is on fire. Nice, Scott. There you go, that's a good one.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
That's a good one, brother. This dirty water is better. This wind is not getting better though. Nice, brother. Nice fish. Oh yeah.
I got this thing fucking back out.
Here comes the wind. Oh! Sure. Our fish is on. Finally. Thank you. Alright, this dirty water is actually doing better for us. For you. Third of the day. Tough bite, but we're actually doing better now than what we started. Cool. Alright everyone, gonna end our day there. We did not do well at all. It's freezing cold out. The wind is starting to get dangerous out here. It's about 50 clicks or something like that. But we still popped a couple fish. I ended up with like 3. I think Scott got 5. Mark got 3. What'd you get, Rob? 5. Okay, so what is that? 16, 17 fish? Somewhere around there. So we were short of the 4-man limit. But we really put the work in and it was tough. We were jigging the jerbear. We tried many different colors, but we had to go back to jerbear because it actually started working very well. But the water's super clean. We got a very low pressure, and they're just not biting. They're gonna bite soon though. But anyways, guys, like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Fuck off.